Well, the streets of Edinburgh will be getting more dangerous soon because Tim's learning to drive.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And tragically, I'm 33 and I still haven't learned to drive, which my wife is absolutely delighted about. Yeah, so diabetes and driving.
Yeah.
Problem?
No, not really. I normally test a lot before I drive because the thought
normally, always, surely.
Well, not if I only did it half an hour
Oh,
earlier
well,
and it was
enough.
12. I
Yeah,
don't really
yeah,
see the point.
yeah,
But
fine.
no, normally if I don't know what my blood sugar is, I test straight before I drive because it's just the thought of going hypo at the wheel is terrifying.
Absolutely. If you're in charge of a ton of fast moving, it's as bad as drunk driving, in my humble opinion. You're in as much control as after having several pints. So I think it's
well, given I can't have a coherent conversation when I'm low, I really don't think driving a car is a good idea.
No, it's certainly not. But in technical terms, I mean, I've just done it because I've just applied for my provisional license, and I think with diabetes you have to, is it 3 years you get your license for?
Yeah, I have a 3-year license, and then, to be fair, I whinge about having to reapply for my license because it's inconvenient, but it isn't actually any big deal. They're very good at sending you the form. You just tell the truth. So I think the main things they're worried about is if you're having hypos without any warning signs.
Absolutely.
That kind of thing. Or your eyesight's deteriorated, so you can't see where you're going. That kind of thing.
But I don't really have a problem with that.
No,
I wouldn't want crazy diabetics that can't see with blood glucoses of 2.0 driving around the motorways of Britain, really.
Well, to be honest, my view is that I think most people should be reapplying for their licence more often because there's plenty of people with hugely changing health circumstances or eyesight deteriorating, and you're given a licence and you just keep it forever. So
to be honest, actually, because I've been doing driving lessons at the minute, I think that anyone who tailgates learners when they're trying to drive should be forced to retake their test again. But that's a bit of an aside there.
That's more of a personal issue,
That is a personal issue. But yeah, stop tailgating learners. Brah.